Welcome back to Modern Vehicles, and today we have something truly special to talk about. This is not just any ordinary car review, but a deep dive into one of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world, built on the foundation of the iconic Mercedes Maybach. When we think about motorhomes, we often imagine practicality, comfort, and long journeys on the road. But this vehicle takes all of those expectations and elevates them into a new dimension of luxury, technology, and style. Mercedes has always been known for engineering excellence, and Maybach has stood as the ultimate expression of prestige. Combine the two, and you get a motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style. The exterior of the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome immediately commands attention. From the very first glance, the sleek lines and bold presence set it apart from any traditional RV or camper you may have seen. The design philosophy carries the same DNA as a Maybach Luxus, but scaled and extended into a full motorhome. Its chrome accents, signature Maybach grille, and smooth aerodynamic body all reflect elegance, while the sheer size reminds you that this is a home on wheels. LED headlights, a bold stance, and custom paint options add to the aura. Every detail of the exterior feels premium, from the flush-fitted windows to the automated entry doors, making it clear this is not built for ordinary road trips but for extraordinary journeys. Stepping inside, the interior tells an entirely different story, one of ultimate comfort and indulgence. As soon as the automatic doors slide open, you are greeted with an atmosphere that rivals five-star hotels. Plush leather seating, handcrafted wooden panels, and ambient lighting set the tone. The living space is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. There's a spacious lounge area with recliner chairs that can swivel and adjust, turning the space into a cozy social hub or a private relaxation zone. The dining area is elegantly designed with premium materials, offering seating for several people without feeling cramped. The kitchen area is surprisingly well equipped for a motorhome, featuring modern appliances like an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and even a wine cooler. Everything is integrated seamlessly into the design, so while it's fully functional, it still looks sophisticated. Moving further inside, you'll find a master bedroom that feels more like a luxury hotel suite. The bed is wide and comfortable, fitted with premium linens, and surrounded by clever storage. This motorhome is not designed for everyone. It is aimed at a very exclusive group of people who want the best of both worlds, the open road and the luxury of Maybach living. It represents not just transportation, but a statement of success, freedom, and elegance. For those who want to experience the ultimate road trips without sacrificing comfort or prestige, this vehicle stands in a class of its own. So that is the detailed review of the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a true masterpiece that combines technology, performance, and luxury like no other. Whether you are imagining cross-country adventures or just want to own the most exclusive motorhome in the world, this is the benchmark of what luxury travel looks like on wheels. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.